TV, connect to Wi-Fi, and start watching in minutes. The Amazon Fire TV Stick is $34.99. It's smart TV made to simmer.
It's not fucking far off it, is it? Back out on the phone, Lucy. Sit down.
And 54 toilet rolls. Whatever makes you say wow. You know that thing you do every day, day in and day out. Well, just
Is it gonna video?
Bring these tea towel out or something. Well, why are these lights not working? It makes it fed on fire.
Yeah.
another perfect style.
I might kind of
Like, got the phone.
New Tresemme runway collection.
Got the phone.
put it
Oh.
on.
The Box Plus Fast Track. This week's must-see video is hot off the presses
There
and
you go.
ready to go.
Hang on. Go to the window. Wait. Because you can't see it from the thing, so it's kind of dark. No, because it won't.
Watch the whole video now on the Box Plus app.
What's gone on?
What is it? Oh, it's like big.
When you're like this. You're alright. Solid that.
It's to stop and then do it again. I think. It'll probably start again.
We do one more.
Oops.
This one. Make sure I haven't got blood on my feet. Wait, you mean actual? You want this one though? No, I don't want this one yet. What? No, I want that with Debbie. What with Debbie's? We're doing all of them there. I want that outside. Pay 40 quid for it, Luke. That one, yeah.
Oh. It's like the other one. Come outside. It just disappears.
It's only if it falls over that you need to shit yourself. Because it starts fucking shooting at you. I like that one. Is that it? Just make sure it don't come through the door. Is your one, Gemma?
I know.
UK goes blind. Each puppy has the potential to change someone's life. Someone like me. I'm Jill.
Yeah, that's nice, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
My guide dog Lucas. I lost myself when I was 19. My mum was in the hospital one morning. The sun streamed in, but to me it was pitch black. I was trapped at home, so my plans for the future.
I thought it was going to go out as well, but it never.
My guide dog set me free. Now Lucas and I go everywhere together. Work,
Yeah, I feel like one of the longest ones out the park.
friends,